Or what's going on today? Who are you and what's your name?
I'm Danny Mateo, and we're having a fundraiser event for our friend Big Sleeps, who is battling stage 4 kidney failure. So, community, we're coming together to help him out in these times of need. We're here at Unity Tattoo Gallery. We have the homies tattooing. We have a lot of vendors that pulled up to help out with the event.
That's dope. And then if people want to tap in later on, where would they go to donate or send their love to? Would they tap in with you or Big Sleeps?
They pretty much tap in with Big Sleeps. Best way to reach them out is through social media, Instagram at Big Sleeps. And show me your support and your love.
Definitely. All right, let's have a good event today. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, take a picture of
taking the chile out. Over there taking the chile. Got a lot there for all you fancy people. Cafe Niña.
Thank you.
How you doing today? We got the guards. Owen, B-ball court. Raffle. This is a friend. All right, so what's the deal we got with the backpack today?
We got this Louis Vuitton backpack that's being raffled off for Sleeps in order to raise money. We got $100 a ticket and 100 tickets total. And once we sell all 100 tickets, the winner will be announced online.
And who did this? Sleeps and who else?
Sleeps and Deffer.
This is one of a kind, right?
Yeah, one of a kind. It comes with the original box and the slip cover.
That's dope.